Hey, American History 2 students, here is your video lesson plan for week 2 of COVID-19. This one's going to be easier. You're just going to have to watch a video. It's a video dealing with Teddy Roosevelt and World War I. The video is only like 3 minutes and 45 seconds. You're just going to go into Canvas. You're going to click on, I think I have it, CV19 week 2 module. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to click on the video. You're going to watch the video, and then you just have to answer the questions. It's in a discussion type form. I'll just do a quick walkthrough of what it is that I'm going to have you do. So let me broaden this out. So you're just going to go into right here. You're just going to go into week 2, and you're going to click on Rough Riders in World War I, and then these are the questions. You're just going to click right here on Rough Riders in World War I.
Okay.
That's going to take you right into PBS Learning.
Okay.
And all you have to do is just click right there and watch the video. And then as the video is playing, you're just going to come back and answer these 6 questions. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, the video is only I'm just going to start it real quick and then pause it. The video is only 3 minutes and 45 seconds. So it literally, this assignment should not take you any more than 5 to 10 minutes to do. I would like for you to have this done by I would like for you to have this done by next Tuesday, March 31st. So this is your assignment for next week. Take care, stay healthy.